So I have a question about imagination. Say someone has a very, I would say, relentless and not so positive way imagination that is constantly there.
Mm-hmm.
And unfortunately, sometimes I would say impossible to stop it. Is there a way, considering the situation, for this person to channel this imagination and put it to work for the sake of something positive?
Yes, that's absolutely. That's actually, this imagination is a big gift, and that's what we use in Musar. It's is our Rav Israel Salanter Zatzal. That's actually, I think, if I remember correctly, it's actually his innovation into Musar. That's why he's considered the father of Musar movement, right? So how is it father? What about Ramchal? He's not the father, right? What about others? It's not the father. No, they're not also. They great, and they taught. But Rav Israel Salanter, that's how like he put everything together, right? And he's actually taught us. And I learned from his great grandson, Rabbi Dessler Zatzal, Eliyahu Dessler, right? That to develop this vivid imagination. So this vivid, this poster from BeEzrat HaShem, that's like the sharp, so sharp that you can see all the details. So right, so that's exactly what you have to work on yourself and imagine like everything. Like what is it? What is it? Everything, like for example, punishment and Gehinnom with all of the details. So like try to build up. Or one of the examples that they give is actually it's a different example. It's how to imagine the line where it says that 1 hour of the pleasure, right, of the some translation they say 1 moment of the pleasure, doesn't matter, 1 hour, minute, right, moment, hour, minute of the pleasure of the righteous person, righteous Jew in the world to come, equal to all of the pleasures from mankind from the beginning of the world until now combined. So if you just tell to somebody, say, oh, okay, very interesting, I guess it's a lot of pleasure. Understand? But Rav Israel Salanter, that's not good enough. So you have to turn your imagination. And he said, just imagine only good stuff, what happened to you in your life. Imagine. So all of your good moments, 5 minutes, half an hour, like your anticipation when you were a child and you were waiting for your birthday, they're going to write whatever, all of this, all the excitement moments, all of your life, everything, and put it together, like compress them into this 1 hour. Like can you handle it, or 1 minute, right? So it would be amazing, like right? It's crazy. So try to work on it, like imagine this. And then he said, try to take all of the pleasure of all of the people that were in your life, right? And try to take only pleasure that they have, only good moments, and try compress it into this 1 hour. And then he said, and then you try. Imagine all of the pleasure of the people from your town, right? And try to compress only good that they have, whatever good whatever they enjoy. Let's say is you put it together without the perversity, right? Whatever they have, right? Only good according to normal, according to everybody's standard. And then you have the town, then you have the country, and then you go from the beginning of the earth, of the world until now, and until the end of the world. And you compress all of the pleasure into this 1 hour and try to imagine how you would feel. You would explode, of course. But that's how, and you have to develop this vivid imagination that you would see. And so to be a person who can imagine things, that's actually unbelievable. It's very good. So a person with this good imagination can reach very big heights. huge heights. Other people, like for example, I don't have such a great imagination, right? So for me, I have to work on it. So for me, it's I have to work. It's like a real exercise. I have to try and sweat. But for other people, it's like this. You understand? So that's very good quality, right? We have to work on it and develop and take any idea and any thought and develop and think about it. And all of these good thoughts, the Torah thoughts, they're going to push out this garbage. And the way I always imagine, I always explain when you have what I have something like I don't know, it's like on the market. So you go to the market and they sell something like in a container, and it's with a heap, right? So if you try to add more, guess what? It's going to fall off, right? It's not going to stay. You have apples, right? And they heap the apples, and you try to put one more, it's not going to stay. It's going to roll off, right? So same is here when you have your mind full with Torah, there is no way for this garbage to settle. It's not acceptable. Go away. You're not from this heap. You understand? But in order to do that, you have to continue adding this holiness, these holy thoughts, and eventually it's going to push out. It's only a matter of time. Guarantee. You pray to Hashem, and Hashem promise. It's not like when is it written? It's Hashem promise. If you come and you want to cleanse yourself a little, they're going to help you from the Shamayim a lot. Right? But you have to come and you want it and you try a little. A little for us, the more you try, the more help you're going to have. It's from me. It's my own hint. You understand? So a little is not enough. So you work more, and Hashem is going to bless. Understand? And suddenly you're not interested in all of the garbage. Suddenly all of the things that other people are getting excited. You serious? You're going to waste your life going to this party. You're going to waste your life going to Bermuda or Aruba, right? You serious to lose your Olam Haba just because there is this, it's a winter here, but there it's a perfect temperature, I don't know, like 75 or 85, I don't know, whatever temperature is it, like all year round, and it's normal, like a good climate, this and that. You serious? You're going to do that? Understand? That's our approach. And imagination, it's an amazing gift, right?